Hi guys, I have another unboxing video for you, and this time I have got Love Me Beauty. Now I haven't had Love Me Beauty for a long while, well a couple of months anyway. I've had a bit of a break, but if you didn't know what Love Me Beauty is is a subscription bag or subscription service. You don't get a box, but you get to choose items yourself from the website. So basically you pay £13.95 from my memory. If anything I say wrong, I will say down below, but I think it's £13.95 per month. And it entitled you to receive 60 credits. So those 60 credits you would then go on and have a look on their website, and each item that they had on offer for that particular month, a new edit comes up on the 2nd of the month. So, and the bigger, better, you know, the most exciting items, they tend to disappear quite quickly. So, you know, if you've got Love Me Beauty, or if you're new to Love Me Beauty, you need to be on there right at the start of the month to actually, you know, get the good stuff. So you can use the 60 credits against these items. So a lot of items are like 20 credits, some are 60, some are more than 60, but then you are required then to actually buy extra credits. There is a refer a friend code that everyone will get. Mine I will list down below, but it entitles you to 30 free credits if you were to sign up, and I get credits in return as well, which is brilliant. But they are changing. Before I tell you what's inside here, they are changing. From February onwards, they are bringing in a new sort of look to their website. It's no longer going to be all a mix of beauty items. It's going to be one particular item and it's makeup, or one particular product and it's makeup, and it's by a new brand called Phase Zero. And from what I gather, you pay a subscription as normal, and then that entitles you to go onto their website and use your, I think you're given a voucher. I'm not sure for new members or for old members. Again, it is all still up in the air at the minute. That's why I wanted to get in there now to see what it's like, you know, for next month ready. So that's why I've got Love Me Beauty this month. So I'm prepared. Woo! Shaky camera, just whacked the ring light. Basically, this makeup brand you can buy at factory prices. So you can use a subscription to get these makeup items at factory prices. Say for instance a lipstick cost about £20 in the shops. You'd be able to get it through Love Me Beauty for say £3.75. Very similar to Beauty Pie from what I gather. I might be wrong, again I am all new to this. I'm not too sure of the ins and outs, but as any information that does come up I will link down below. And also when February comes along and I have had a look on the new website, picked my items and then uploaded my video, you will get more information that way. So bear with me. I signed up for this month. I paid £30.95 and I had 60 credits, and because it was the last month of selling all their, you know, beauty items, skincare, everything, they reduced everything by half price. Well, not price, half credits and stuff. So say for instance a makeup brush, an EcoTools makeup brush would have been about, I don't know, say 40 credits, you can now get it for 20. So I sent quite a few items here with my 60 credits. Some of it I will be keeping and saving it for a future giveaway. I have got a giveaway running at the moment which will end in February the 9th, but I've already done that video and people know what is inside that box. So things in here that will be going for a future giveaway later in the year sometime. So I just thought I'd show you what I got. So my first item is, I'm keeping this because I like this. It's a retractable face brush, and it's really nice, really nice, and it's an EcoTools. I'm really excited to have that. I can't remember what the credits were. I think it was like between 15 and 20 maybe, or 10 even. So the next item is another EcoTools, and this is a custom coverage buffing. So this will go in my giveaway. So there. Another EcoTools, and I've already got these, and this is a set of enhancing. Oh, it's an enhancing eye set. So those will go with my giveaway. And then I've also got this one as well, and this is another EcoTools, and this is a skin perfecting brush. And it's nice, I use this to apply powder, to set my powder underneath my eyes. It's just really nice and soft, I love it. Oh, if you notice, I'm wearing wacky makeup today. I don't normally look like this, do I? But I've just done a video. I've used my Violet Voss Nicole Concilio palette, and I try to use as many colours as I can to create really funky different looks. So that'll be coming up, I don't know when, maybe next week, something like that. But no, so that's why I look a bit weird today. And then the next item I got is a Paragon Md, which I can't wait to try this actually. It is a visible results in 7 days. It's a cold plasma face. Hold on, I'll show you what the outside looks like first. 7 little sachets which I'll use, and they're face serums, intensive face serums. So no, it's a little pouch there, so that's quite nice. So no, I'm quite happy to try that actually, quite excited. Then I got a Bare Minerals, and it's Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion, and it's a, what is it exactly? I don't really know. Is it a moisture, infused with moisture, skin's resistance. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. So I'm assuming it's like a moisturizer maybe? I'm not quite sure. That's what it looks like there. And what is the size like? Well, the size is not bad. What is it, 7.5 mil? There, so I'll give that a go. So that'll be for me. The brush is for the giveaway. And then I also got a tiny little sample of it's an Amy, and it's a Morning Dew Matte Finish Moisturizer Cream. So it's a little tiny one, and this is something like about 5 credits, something really smaller, and this is a 10 ml little one. And then also with Love Me Beauty, they always send you a little bag, and I adore this. This is so cute. It's got Love Me Beauty written on it, and it's got little eyelashes. It's really lovely. So there you go. Just an empty bag. So yeah, so that's all my items. So I'll just grab them all together just to show you. So those are all the items. I can hardly hold them all. They're just too big. So yeah, so for £13.95 I am chuffed. I got them. Some of them will be going in giveaway, but some of them I'll be keeping for myself. So yeah, so these are all on the sale. So as I said, you know, 60 credits, and they're all like about 5, 10, 15 credits, 20 credits. So no, so I'm really chuffed with this month. I'm glad I did it, and I'm looking forward to next month to see what all that is about and getting some lovely new makeup products. So if you haven't done so already, it'd be lovely if you'd subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.